Hi everyone, I have Garmin Fenix 7 Solar Multisport watch and I would like to continue to show some tips and tricks about this watch. Today I'm going to show the hotkeys, how they work, what kind of hotkeys we can configure and what kind of advantages it can give. First, let me show you how to configure the hotkeys. I need to press and hold this button, the settings, and then I go to this system settings, scroll down, to the system, then by pressing this button I enter the system. Now again I can scroll like this, so I can use down button to scroll to the hotkeys settings. Yes, this is the hotkeys. Now press again to enter, and what do we have here? We have first hotkey, it's when we hold start button, it's holding this one. Next is the hold back button, it's holding this one. Then it's hold down button, it's holding this button. Start and down, it's holding these two buttons. Start and tapped, it's holding these two. Back plus light, it's holding these two buttons. Back and up, it's back and up, these two. This is the hotkeys we can use. Now let's go through all the possible actions which we can configure. I will try here because I don't have any actions configured here. In total there are around 28 actions. Let's count alarm clock, backlight settings, barometer, heart rate, change sport, clocks, controls, don't disturb, do grid flashlight, web, all these hotkeys we can configure. Now let me show how it works, a couple of them. For example, when I hold start button, then it will run the stopwatch. When I hold back button, there will be timers. When I hold down button, then it will run the watch face. Started down, it will disable or enable the touch screen. Start and tap screenshot. Back and light, nothing. And this one also nothing. Let me configure something else for back plus light. For example, I can configure like do not disturb. And for this one, for example, sync time for back and up. Now let's say I'm going back to the home screen. If I hold and press this one, then I have a stopwatch and I can do everything. Now if I want to go back to home screen, I can use another hotkey, which is hold down button. Then I go back to the watch face. If I hold this one, then it's a timer, for example 13 minutes. Timer is started. And now I'm back on the watch face. Now if I hold these two buttons, and then touch screen is off, I hold it again, touch screen is on. These two screenshots taken, and these two buttons, don't disturb, on and off. Then if I hold these two back and up, then I run the syncing time. Time is synced. Now let me show you how it can help the hotkeys in different situations. For example, if I'm doing running and I want to go back to the watch face, then I can use just the hotkey and go back to watch face, and running activity is still running. Then if I press this back button, then I go back to running. Also, yeah, I can run the timer, or like stopwatch, or do all the other hotkeys during the running without the stopping the running activity. Also, there's another hotkey which it's not possible to configure, but it exists. And yeah, also it's not documented. I think if I press 2 times this white button, then it will run the flashlight. Yeah, this is a flashlight, and there are 3 options, like to have a red screen, flash and white screen, and just white screen. There is another interesting hotkey which is not documented, and I got it just from tips which watch shows from time to time. This is what I wanted to show about the hotkeys. It is very useful, and I use it very often, like on a daily basis. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it will be useful. Bye!